Hi, welcome to Aruru Naturals. One ingredient, endless benefits. Coconut oil isn't just for hair, it's your natural beauty MVP. Let's explore 15 ways to use coconut oil for healthy hair and glowing skin. Overnight hair repair treatment. Apply coconut oil to dry hair before bed and wrap in a towel. It restores moisture, repairs damage, and you'll wake up with softer, healthier hair. Dry scalp and dandruff relief. Massage warm coconut oil into your scalp to soothe itching and flaking. Its antibacterial properties help fight dandruff naturally. Split end sealer. Rub a tiny amount on your ends to seal split ends and prevent further breakage. No need for a trim just yet. Natural curl definer. For curly or wavy hair, coconut oil helps define texture without the crunch of gel, just smooth through damp hair and air dry. Heat protection before styling. Use a light layer of coconut oil before blow drying or flat ironing to protect strands from heat damage and dryness. Heat protection before styling. Makeup brush cleaner. Mix coconut oil with a bit of dish soap to deep clean your makeup brushes. It breaks down built-up oils and bacteria while conditioning the bristles. Gentle makeup remover. Melt away foundation, mascara, and even eyeliner with just a bit of coconut oil, gentle on sensitive skin and eyes. Post-shave skin soother. Skip the store-bought lotion. Coconut oil soothes razor burn, prevents bumps, and keeps skin silky smooth. Natural highlighter. Dab a small amount on your cheekbones and brow bone for a natural, dewy glow, no makeup needed. Sunburn relief balm. After sun exposure, apply coconut oil to reduce redness and hydrate dry, sun-damaged skin. Stretch mark massage oil. Rub coconut oil on your belly or thighs during pregnancy or weight changes. It improves skin elasticity and may reduce stretch marks. Foot softener and heel repair. Massage into cracked heels at night and wear socks to bed. You'll notice a difference by morning. Body massage oil. Blend with lavender or peppermint oil for a relaxing massage. It glides smoothly and leaves skin deeply nourished. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more content like